This is a story about a man on a horse. He is riding it, of course. He rode across the deserts, he roamed across the plains, he rode through the forests and even mountains. He's a man on a mission, he's a man on a horse. He's a man on a mission, we're not quite sure what for.
Now, today we are going to be doing a very exciting experiment. Now, if you look over here, we've got all the apparatus that we're going to use. Now, in this little test tube here, this powder here is a mixture of carbon powder and copper carbonate. And up here, we have got some rock silver. Ooh, this is going to be good.
Right. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this up till it's red hot on a blue flame in the Bunsen burner. And then once that's done, I'm going to plunge it into this cold water, and then you see what happens.
Now, while we're waiting on this to heat up, I'm just going to tell you a very quick fact. The ore that copper carbonate comes from is malachite. Ooh, I think we should look at the action again. Whoa, look at all this smoke. Ooh. Oh, I wish I had some cheese with me now.
Look at this, Jim. Come on! It's getting quite red.
Now, as you can see, there's a red color at the bottom of the test tube. And then, when we put this in the water, something quite magical will happen.
Right, ready? We'll put it out and put it in. Come on.
Whoa, wasn't that amazing?
Half of it came out already.
Absolutely amazing.
Right, because that exploded.
Riding, riding, roaming, roaming, riding, riding on a horse. He's a man on a horse.
Good evening. Today we're going to be doing a very amazing experiment. Now, if you look over here, we have got a test tube with some copper carbonate here. And if you look up here, we have got a balloon. Now, make sure you pay extra attention to the balloon when we put its test tube over the flame. This is going to be good.
Alright, okay, there we go. So I'm going to heat this test tube, or the copper carbonate, on a blue flame, and just watch the balloon.
Yeah, the balloon is very important, you see. Now you can see the copper carbonate is turning black. That is a sign that a chemical reaction is taking place.
Ooh!
Ooh, something magical is happening.
After this, we're going to filter it through some lime water and see what gas is produced.
Now, copper carbonate is found in the ore malachite. Back to the action.
Add more balloons and people balloons. Can I just say how pleased that quietly you're working?
This is a story about a man on a horse. He is riding it, of course.
Now something quite extraordinary is going to happen.
Copper carbonate goes in this end and is green when it burns. Look at that. Trying to see some more green burning. I think you would.
Yes, I certainly will.
Okay. Yeah, you can. Wait
Wait
1
a
minute.
second, we are doing something very interesting.
Yes, we're doing something very interesting.
It is extremely exciting. Ooh,
Oh, you missed it. Right, I'll do it again.
Well done, Stuart. Find a new job for you.
Oh, look at that. See? See, there you go.
that was very exciting. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to see if we can tip this stuff. Oh. Mr. Henderson, I've made a new device for you. I call it the test tube with a hole in it.
Oh.
Awesome.
Little word, writing, moving, writing again, writing again, writing again, writing again. Yeehaw! Riding, roaming, riding on a horse. Of course, he's a man on a horse.